Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Thank you guys for being patient as I got my Walgreens video out today. I actually woke up at 3:45 my time, but it was 4:45. I was in DC for the past few days, and I flew in today, literally went from the airport to pick up my Walgreens order, home, spend some time with my son, and now I'm filming this. I'm hoping after this I finally get a chance to eat for the day, but there were some great deals and I didn't want to miss out on a video. And I have a news filming in the morning, so if it was gonna get done, it had to get done now. So I am gonna tell you about the best deals going on for the week, including a number of grocery deals. A couple of things I wanna mention. One was, my holiday gift guide is out, and I worked really hard on that, so I would love it if you guys checked it out. I'll drop a link to it down below, but just some gift ideas for a number of different budget levels, as well as some unique things that you might be interested in seeing, so check that out. I was also nominated for Best of the City. For my city, and voting is open for that right now from December 1st through December 30th. So if you want to take a second and vote for me, I'll also drop that link down below. You'll find me in the category of personalities, and then under influencer, and you can vote every single day through December. So that would be awesome if you guys want to help me out that way. That was it. So let's talk about the deals. This is probably my favorite deal this week on the Pringles, any of the Pringles. So the regular price is like 3 for $5, but they're buy one, get one free. Now, when I placed this for curbside order, I put 4 of them in my cart, and the total came out to $3.33 for all 4 of them after that buy one, get one free sale, making them just 83 cents a can. Great deal. Of course, you could buy as many as you want or as many as you need in any of the different flavors, but 83 cents is a great price. Now, the old El Paso products are also buy one, get one free. I did this as curbside. I picked up the taco seasonings. They're priced at $1.79. Buy one, get one free makes them 89 cents a piece. Now, I did not purchase these again. Honestly, I don't eat hard taco shells, so I had these from when I bought them from another Walgreens video, and I kept them thinking the deal would come back and I could show you the deal again. They are $2.99, buy one, get one free, so that makes them $1.50 per pack. And that's the typical sale price, like the lowest price point that I've seen them is the buy one, get one free sale at Walgreens. Now, a great deal is on these Kit Kats. Now, check and see if your store has the mocha and chocolate Kit Kats on clearance for 49 cents. If they do, clip the $1 off to digital coupon. It is a store coupon, so it's going to automatically adjust down to the cost of the item. So you'll pay 49 cents, but it's going to automatically deduct 49 cents. So all of them will come out to be free. You can get as many as you want in one transaction. After that, that coupon will be gone. So check your store and see if they have those on clearance. My store also had the bigger, dark chocolate Kit Kats on clearance as well. Now, the Gillette foam, I mentioned these last week. I'm going to talk about them again. They're buy one, get one half off. So purchasing 2 would be $4.93. Then get $3 off with the digital coupon, making it $1.93 or just 96 cents each. Not a bad price. Now, the Tresemme, this one, there is a $5 digital coupon, and it says for shampoo and conditioner. And it did not pop up under this product, but when I put 2 of these hairsprays in my cart and I had that $5 Tresemme coupon clipped, $5 came off my total when I did this online. So check it out. Throw these bad boys in your cart. They're $2.79 each, so it's $5.58 for both of them. See if that $5 digital comes off for you. If it does, it'll leave you to pay 58 cents for both or just 29 cents each. Now, this tea tree, the Shea Moisture tea tree oil, it is $2.99. This is a curbside only deal. It will not work in store if it's priced at $2.99 in store because the digital coupon is $3, which is higher than the cost of the item. It will work for curbside. Now, if you go in store and this item costs $4 in store and you have a $3 digital, it would still work just fine. Now, I also noticed some Shea Moisture products on clearance, like 75% off. So definitely check your aisle if that's a product that you like or a brand that you really like. Now, the Dawn Power Wash, if you did this last week, you might not see the coupon still. I had not done the deal last week, so this is $4.99. There's a $2.25 digital coupon, leaving you to pay just $2.74. Now, some codes you could try if you're doing curbside. Try the code WAG10. I want to say I used the code READY15 for when I spent $30 or more, which took 15% off my total. But then the WAG10 also took off like a nickel or something. So try those codes if you're placing online orders. Now, the L'Oreal Elvive, these are 2 for $9, but there's 2 different coupons. There is a $5 manufacturer digital as well as a $2 store digital. So $9 in products, $7 in coupons, so you're going to pay $2 total or just $1 each. Now, this is a Little Palm Olive, so not a great deal, but if you absolutely needed soap, it's not a horrible deal. $1.25 minus that 75-cent digital coupon, you're paying 50 cents for this little one. Now, the Nivea creams, these were on sale last week. They're on sale again this week. Buy one, get one half off. Buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash. So it's free and a moneymaker if you can still find them in a store near you. My stores were sold out, so I pulled these out of my closet, but I wanted to show you the deal in case your store had either these or the blue ones priced at $1.29. You would pay $1.93 for both. Buy one, get one half off. And then you get $3 in Walgreens cash back, making them free and $1.07 moneymaker. Now, I have the ginger ale here because the sodas were 3 for $4. Not a terrible price if you want to use your Walgreens cash and that's a product that your family needs for the week. $1.33 each. My kind of stock up price for those are $1 or less. And I want to say my grocery store had them at like 80 some cents last week. But I wanted to let y'all know about it. It's 3 for $4, making them $1.33 each. Now, the Dial Concentrate did this last week. It's $5.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.99. Then there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, as well as 88 cents back on Shopkick, making your final cost $1.11. Now, another deal that you might want to check out on Shopkick is if you like those Purex crystals. That's not something I use. I almost bought it just to show you, but I figured I could walk you through it. Those Purex crystals are buy one, get one free. Okay, so good price at the store. Now, I believe there's a digital coupon. I'll look and I'll pop it up here on the screen if there is. But there is a rebate on Shopkick that's almost $2 back, or actually I think it's a little bit more than $2 back. I'll write it up here on the screen, but if you like the Purex crystals, it's a pretty solid deal on those this week at Walgreens as well. Now, I think that was everything. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comments. If you found another amazing deal, share it with us down in the comments. And then don't forget the 2 things I mentioned at the beginning of the video. 1, check out my holiday gift guide. That is over on my website, savingwithchristina.com. I'll link it for you down below. And then if you want to take a second and vote for me, I'll drop that link for you in the comments as well. Thanks, guys.